Hello, today I'm in Toyota Auris. In this video, I'll show you price to safety comparison. The Toyota Auris is one of the most affordable compact hatchbacks that still delivers strong safety credentials. Compared to rivals like the Volkswagen Golf or Ford Focus, the Auris often costs less on the used market while offering similar, only in some cases better safety features. For example, even mid trims include stability control, multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, and ISOFIX mount, while higher trims with Toyota Safety Sense bring pre-collision warning, lane departure, alert, and automatic high beam. This means you don't have to pay premium prices to get modern safety systems. In short, the Auris provides strong balance of reasonable purchase costs and excellent occupant protection, making it good value for safety choice. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.